In a dim corner library, a quiet archivist discovers a book that rearranges its pages whenever someone sneezes. Each sneeze writes a new memory across the walls of the building, turning ordinary shelves into shifting landscapes. The librarian tests it with careful breaths, watching portraits blink and street maps ripple like water under moonlight. When the book lands on a page about a vanished bakery, the scent of sugar fog sweeps through town. The archivist chooses to catalog the changes, knowing reality remains fragile until someone else dares to sneeze and listen.